My name is Ted Trotter. We just finished building a 70 bell E500 Rotary from DeLaval. And DeLaval installation crews were by far the most efficient crews we had in this installation.
My name is Mike Moore. I'm the installation teams manager for Rotary and automation.
Mike Garner, Allegiance Dairy Service, Burley, Idaho. My role here is kind of owner-operator. I do all of capital sales.
I mainly do the scheduling for the guys, contracts, and initial site visits and interaction with the dealerships or anybody that we're under contract with. Ultimately, you know, you got this, the dairyman, the customer, has been watching this, his dream or his barn come up sort of slowly but surely. And we come in looking at a Rotary, it's like, oh my God, it's so many pieces, they're gonna be here forever. And we get in and out in 2 weeks, it blows them away, you know, to actually see rapid progress. And I think that's what makes our customers happy.
If they was to watch how this thing starts from the ground up, and it's all just piece by piece and how fast they put this together, it blows a lot of dairymen's minds that they can build such a big, enormous deck in such a quick time. They're in and out of here in about 17, 18 days.
Those guys are awesome. If everybody had worked as hard and as fast as they did, we would have had this thing finished probably 6 months sooner than what we did. I can see the advantages to having the manufacturer install teams.
And yeah, we are the only dairy equipment company that does provide a professional, dedicated installation service. Other dealerships or other companies don't really provide that. They may be one guy with expertise, but not anywhere where we are. We offer start to finish. We provide a full service. So I don't want anybody to feel like they're out there on their own. If they're stuck, we help them. You know, we'll send guys out to help center posts. We'll send guys out to do wall plates, you know, whatever they need. So I don't want them to feel like there's no one to talk to. We attend construction meetings. We'll do even hand-drawn conduit drawings for those guys. Like, we do a pretty full service.
I'm very impressed with the team that comes in and builds it, and I always ask for Mike Moore and his team. I've known them guys for a long time, and I trust what they do, and I know they care about what they do, so they don't leave without that product being perfect.
This is our best platform installation team that DeLaval's ever had. We're not quite building a Swiss watch, but it's pretty damn close, right?
At the end, we're trying to give that farmer and that dairyman a 25, 30-year barn. And that's what we're gonna give them no matter what.
I would definitely suggest that if someone is considering a Rotary parlor, that they consider the DeLaval and consider the DeLaval installation crews doing the work.